Most of the work we do, we use two different guns. This is for painting most of a whole car. It's a larger capacity, larger volume gun. For the repair that we're doing today, Dan is using just a repair gun. Smaller volume, lower pressures, it's easier to blend, it has a smaller tip, shoots less material. The smaller gun is easier for repairs. It puts out less material, less air pressure, it doesn't blow stuff all over the room. One trick we are going to have today though, when shooting the flake, is it going to go through the smaller orifice of the smaller gun? We're going to have to do some experimenting to see if that'll work out for us. There's three reasons Dan wears the latex gloves. One is to protect his hands from getting dirty, because that's ugly looking at the end of the day. The second is because the paint's bad for you. Nothing you're doing here you want in or on your body. Third reason is there's nothing on his body we want on the vehicle. We want to keep the vehicle clean of any contaminants that might be on his hands.